Staff augmentation involves outsourcing roles to expand your team with the help of external talent who are suitable for short-term project support. This approach fulfills business needs without the costs of hiring full-time staff. For many companies, staff augmentation offers various appealing benefits. These include staffing flexibility. Staff augmentation speeds up team growth effectively. Providers understand company needs, selecting top talent from a broad pool for best fit skills. It aids in the swift replacement of underperforming or unsuitable individuals. Cost reduction. Hiring full-time staff brings various expenses like office space, equipment, training, and operational costs, as well as incentives and bonuses. Staff augmentation reduces these liabilities by using skilled yet cost-effective developers that don't compromise work quality. Expertise. Staff augmentation suits projects needing specific skills your team lacks. Easily adjust team size. Staff augmentation swiftly adds or reduces resources as needed. Trial period. This business strategy also lets you work with potential hires for short-term projects that might turn long-term. Check their services out before committing and assess their skills and culture fit. Although staff augmentation can seem appealing, it doesn't suit every situation. Staff augmentation is the right choice when the project is short-term. For long-term projects, hiring full-time workers is wiser. Staff augmentation is suitable when specialized skills are needed to enhance your existing augmented team. And if your project is low or medium complexity, it's less fitting for complex, time-consuming projects. You should also choose staff augmentation if you have in-house developers and want an additional remote team for a specific project component. To learn more about hiring offshore staff, just visit outsourceaccelerator.com.